Hi friends, today we are going to talk about United States political parties. Political parties are large, powerful groups of people that come together based on their beliefs and goals. Government leaders join the political party that they believe will help best run our country. All right, so now I'm going to first ask a question, then the teacher is going to pause the video and ask each person what they think the answer is. So here's the question. What are the large, powerful groups in government called? Go ahead and pause the video. That's right. It would be political parties. Political parties are the large, powerful group. All right, let's keep reading. In the United States, there are two major political parties, the Democratic Party and the Republican Party. There are also many small political parties that are called third parties. All right, so here's our second question. Go ahead and have your teacher pause right after I read what the question says. How many major political parties are there? Are there 5, 2, or 8? Go ahead and pause the video. That's right. There are 2 major political parties. So how many major political parties? There are 2. All right, let's keep reading. The 2 main political parties, the Democrats and the Republicans, have different views on how the country should be run. Americans get to decide which party they want to join. Circle the 2 major political parties. Is it the Friends Party, the Democratic Party, or the Republican Party? All right, have your teacher pause the video and each of you go ahead and give your answer. That's right. The answer would be the Democratic Party and the Republican Party. So the 2 major political parties are Democratic and Republican. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and read about the Democratic Party. The Democratic Party was founded in 1828. Members of the Democratic Party are often referred to as liberals. The symbol of the Democratic Party is the donkey. What is the symbol for the Democratic Party? Look at this picture up here. What does it look like? Go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and everybody give their answer. Is it the elephant, dog, or donkey? That's right. It would be the donkey. That is what is in the picture, and that's what the text just told us, right? So the symbol for the Democratic Party is the donkey. Let's keep reading about the Democratic Party. The Democratic Party believes that the government should help everyone to succeed. They believe in big government programs to help all Americans who might not have the money to be able to pay for things themselves. So, what does the Democratic Party believe in? Is it small government, big government, or fast politics? Go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and everybody give your answer. That's right. They believe in a big government. So if you look back in the text, it says they believe in big government programs to help all Americans. All right, let's keep reading. The Democratic Party is often willing to pay more money in taxes in order to benefit all Americans. They also believe wealthy people with a lot of money should pay more taxes to help those less fortunate. Why do they want to pay more taxes? Is it to eat more food, to help the less fortunate, or to have a lot of fun? Go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and each of you give your answer. That's right. So why do they want to pay more taxes? To help the less fortunate. All right, let's keep reading about the Democratic Party. Some well-known Democratic presidents include John F. Kennedy, Theodore Roosevelt, and Barack Obama. This year, Joe Biden will be the Democratic Party's candidate for president. Who will be the Democratic Party's president or candidate? Sorry. Who will be the Democratic Party's candidate? Is it Donald Trump, Joe Biden, or Hillary Clinton? Look back at this picture. Who do you think this is? Who will be the Democratic Party's candidate? Go ahead and pause the video to give your answers. That's right. The Democratic Party's candidate is Joe Biden. All right. So go ahead and take the time to watch this video that's posted on Canvas about what a Democrat is.